What if your passion became your paycheck? What if your hobby was more than just a pastime but a source of income? Intriguing, isn't it? However, there's a flip side to this coin. Welcome to today's discourse on the pros and cons of the hustle culture. In today's fast-paced world, the hustle culture has become increasingly popular. Everyone talks about having a side hustle, about turning passions into profit. But is this always a good thing? Or does it have a dark underbelly that we often overlook? On one hand, having a side hustle can be incredibly fulfilling. It gives individuals the opportunity to explore their interests and use their skills in a way they might not be able to in their full-time jobs. It provides a creative outlet, a sense of accomplishment, and yes, the additional income can be a significant benefit. Moreover, side hustles can lead to new opportunities. They might open doors to new industries, new networks, and even new careers. They can provide a safety net in uncertain economic times and offer a sense of control over one's financial destiny. Scene script. But there's another side to this. The hustle culture can also lead to burnout. The pressure to constantly be productive, to always be on, can be exhausting. It can lead to stress, anxiety, and a lack of work-life balance. It can turn passions into chores, hobbies into obligations. Moreover, the hustle culture can create unrealistic expectations. Not every hobby can or should be monetized. Not every passion can be turned into a profitable enterprise. And the pressure to do so can lead to disappointment and frustration. So, where does this leave us? Is the hustle culture a boon or a bane? It's not a black and white issue. The key lies in balance. It's about finding the right mix of work, play, and rest. It's about pursuing passions without losing sight of well-being. It's about making money, but not at the expense of mental health. In conclusion, having a side hustle can be a great way to explore passions, enhance skills, and supplement income. But it's crucial to be mindful of the potential pitfalls. To avoid burnout, it's important to set realistic expectations, maintain a healthy work-life balance, and remember that it's okay to do something just for the love of it without the pressure to monetize. Today's discourse has brought us through the winding roads of hustle culture, illuminating its bright spots and its shadows. We've explored the benefits of side hustles, the potential for personal growth and financial gain. Yet we've also delved into the dangers of burnout, the risk of turning passions into burdens, and the importance of maintaining balance. Remember, the goal is not just to work hard, but to work smart. And sometimes, the smartest work is giving yourself permission to rest, because in the end, it's not just about making a living, but making a life. Thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here.